welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And again, thank you so much for being here. I do really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for helping the channel grow. We do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that is about to end, so if you have not already, please do go ahead and head on over to the link will be below. Go ahead and head on over and make sure you enter. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then go ahead and enter the contest for your chance to win. As you can see from the description, we have a new subscription. I am super excited to share this one with you guys. This is my fashion crate. I am so excited for this one. This is it's a fairly new subscription, I believe. I will put the website down below so you can check it out. They have 3 different plans. They have their accessories box, which is going to have like jewelry and accessories, and you generally get 2 to 3 items, and it's like $20 a month. They have their essential box, and it has 3 to 4 items a month. And it is $35. It can include clothing in addition to the accessories, or jewelry, accessories, potentially makeup, just a variety of items. The clothing could range from tops, dresses, just different things. And then they have the premium box, which includes 5 to 8 items. It is $49.95 a month. And it also, again, kind of like the essential, it can include tops, dresses, the variety of the accessories. I am very happy that I received this. They did send this to me for free to review with you guys and share. So I felt very happy about that. So we're going to dive in here. We are going to open this. They did send me the premium box. So this would be the $49.95, the 5 to 8 items. And we're just going to dive in and see what's in here, what this is all about. And also, the good thing is, because it can include clothing, they do have different sizes, so you have to fill out your size when you fill out the profile. So let's go ahead and dive in and open and see what it's about, because I am super excited. So, oh my gosh. Y'all, this is like super, super sticky. Okay, there we go. Whew. Had to get it started. All right. So it is like jam-packed in there. They definitely put quite a bit of stuff in here. So let's pull some of this stuff out. Sure we get everything out. And that way it'll be easier to show you guys. Okay, so we got everything out. All right, so the first we do have here, let me look at this right here. Okay, this is supposed to be for one of the products. There's a code for $7 off. All right, so this is the September 2018, and I love that they have the value of everything on here. So we are going to dive in. This first item okay. Excuse me. This is the Charleston towel from Fair Seas Supply Company. It's a Turkish towel, 100% organic cotton, made in Turkey. Timeless and colorful, just like its namesake, the Charleston Towel Collection will be sure to get plenty of year-round use. The thin and lightweight fabric makes this a perfect travel accessory to tuck away in your beach bag or your carry-on. Absorbent and quick drying, they're perfect to dry off after a shower or a swim. All our towels are made from the finest organic cotton grown near the Aegean Sea in Turkey. It's a $44 value. So it looks gorgeous. Let's check it out. Let's see. Ooh. For life's great voyages, Fair Sea Supply Company. This is gorgeous. And y'all, it's so lightweight and pretty. I don't know that I'd use this as a towel. I might use this like a shawl or something. It's gorgeous. I mean, I'd have to play with it a little bit, or even like a blanket, a little light throw. That is gorgeous. I love the Carolina blue. That is so beautiful. Okay. Wow. Oh, I dropped my card. Let me get my card. Okay. Sorry. All right. The next item here is by Molly Jacob. Blush Deep Moisturizing Lipstick. Loose lips sink ships. So you don't even want to know what dry, cracked lips do. When you're in need of some serious moisture that also brings some color to the party, look no further than our Deep Moisturizing Lipstick. Every application enriches your lips with shea butter, jojoba seed oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E. It's the sexiest kind of healthy. Did we mention it's all natural too? That's right. Plus, it's paraben-free and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what's on your lips. This is a $22 value. And the color is blush. Get it out of the package. Ooh, you guys. How gorgeous. Can we take a minute just for that? That is so beautiful. Oh, and I love this color. This is definitely just a timeless, beautiful color. And so creamy. Oh. Right there. Beautiful. I love the packaging. That is gorgeous. Oh. Okay. Gonna move right along. Here we have something from Sterling Forever. All right, let's just open it and see. Oh, Sterling Forever Shine Bright, $30 just for you. Voucher code plus free shipping. Okay, that's nice. Ooh, y'all. It's earrings. Blue Smoke Fringe multi-drop earrings. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at these. These are gorgeous. These Glam Fringe multi-drop earrings are one of the season's must-have pieces. You can wear these earrings with your favorite little back dress or on a coffee date with your BFF. Pastels are hot this season, so make sure you add these earrings to your jewelry box. $48. Are these not so beautiful? And they're so soft. Oh my goodness, you guys. Those are gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving this box, I have to say. All right, and then here we have Canio, I'm not sure. Canio Sky bracelet. Let's go ahead and open it. Comes in a little bag. There's a card. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it's a bracelet and it's got these gorgeous blue beads. And it's almost, I'm guessing, leather. It's adjustable. That is gorgeous. These beads are genuine blue matte sapphire agate. Agate is one of the oldest good luck and healing stones, which comes through in its properties such as courage, protection, love, and longevity. As with the different shades of blue of the stone, they stand strong on their own, yet blend harmoniously and beautifully together and with its elements. This is $24 value. You guys, that is gorgeous. And then this is what I was also included here for their website, is a $7 code to get $7 off. That is just so beautiful. It's like simple but gorgeous. Beautiful. This box truly is blowing my mind. Like, the variety of items, it's just amazing. All right, so we are gonna go ahead here and get into, looks like there's 2 tops. Okay. The first one is a Happy Blue blouse by Perch. It says, this stylish blouse is sure to make your days happier. It's a beautifully trendy addition to your wardrobe. And with a gorgeous blue color and wonderfully soft material, you'll want to wear this gorgeous blouse all day long. It's so easy to pair it with jeans, shorts, or jeggings for a stylish look this season. $38. So let's take it out. It looks pretty, just from what I can see in the bag. Oh, it feels nice. It's very light. There's some tissue paper. Yep. Okay. You guys, do you see this? This is gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. I mean, beautiful. The little ruffles. The ruffle even goes around to the back. That's just a gorgeous top. Beautiful. Oh, you guys, this box. My mind is like, phew. And we have one more item. This is the Heart of Happiness blouse. This lovely sorry. This lovely blouse is made for beachside vacations and summer fun, featuring a bold combination of royal blue and white stripes. This gorgeous look is perfect for relaxing by the ocean. It's easy to love wearing this top with capris and sandals for a day at the beach. $38. So we're gonna take a look at this blouse. Oh, it is so soft. I can already feel that. So soft. You guys, this is gorgeous. Hear this? It's white. And then down at the bottom it has the same design. It's obviously wrinkled from being folded and shipped, but it is gorgeous. I can tell that I would have to wear like a white cami underneath because you can see through, but it is beautiful, like so gorgeous. This is like blowing my mind. I mean, we got that gorgeous lipstick, the beautiful earrings, the bracelet is breathtaking, the two beautiful blouses, and the Turkish towel, which, like I said, I almost use like a throw, yeah, because it's lightweight if you're just a little chilly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 items, and they're just, like I said, my mind is just blown, you guys. This box, absolutely 100% without a doubt. This is the $49.95 box. So worth it. So worth it. I mean, 2 tops, earrings, a bracelet, lipstick, and then the towel. So worth the $49.95. They do have the other options, like I said. If you want just accessories, you can get that. You'll get 2 to 3 items. That is $20. They do also have the essentials box, which is similar to the premium as far as you can get clothing and accessories, but it will only be 3 to 4 items, and it is $35 a month. And then again, the premium box, you receive 5 to 8 items. We got 6 this month, 2 shirts, 2 pieces of jewelry, that beautiful towel, and lipstick. You can't beat that. I'm sorry, you can't. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I am so thrilled to have had the opportunity to receive this and to share with you guys. Like I said, they did very kindly send this to me for review. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will make sure, like I said, to put the link to their website down below, so you can check them out. You know, if you're looking for a different type of subscription, this is 100% what you need to go with. I mean, it's just clothing, jewelry, makeup, all. It's just, I'm literally speechless. Like, it is just that amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description for you. So if you would like to sign up for the subscription, you can. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I may have already said that. Otherwise, have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.